Today I am sitting down with Susan Wallace of Quabbin Mediation. Susan is the training director for Quabbin Mediation, and I asked her to join us today to tell us about an upcoming workshop that Northampton Prevention Coalition, Cooley Dickinson Hospital, and the Unitarian Society of Florence and Northampton are hosting on April 24th, 2018 at the JFK Middle School. It is called Training Active Bystanders. So for folks who may be interested in coming to the one that we're offering on April 24th, what could they expect? Like, demystify it for us. What's going to happen? They're going to walk in, and then what?
Let me start by saying they will not walk. Let me tell you what you're not going to get. You're not going to walk out with a prescribed list of what you should do as a bystander. Mm-hmm. We feel really strongly that we're going to spend that 2 hours developing an analysis. What is harm? What is harm in your community? The curriculum is driven by the audience. You're there because you have a reason. Mm-hmm. You've walked in with things in your head that are of concern to you. Mm-hmm. And so we talk about and analyze what harm in your community is, why that harm is happening, and the list of what to do as a bystander is something that's created by the group. It's a method of analysis that we spend 2 hours on. Mm-hmm.